Um, so first little rainstorm here in Florida, and my lens is fogging up because it's so humid. It is literally pouring outside. So yeah, and then it's like freezing in the apartment, but yeah, first time it's rained, and it's honestly dumping rain. So okay, back to work. I have like all of my laptops and stuff because I don't have a desk here, so I have just everything everywhere currently. Update, because they don't like sweep the parking lot. Literally ate shit. And that car was pulling up and he's like, you okay? I'm like, don't even look at me, don't even ask. I knew this was gonna happen too, but luckily my camera's okay. That's all I really care about. Whew, okay. It's crazy to think that I'm actually wearing a tank top right now and it's January. What a concept. Florida. I wanted to talk about this idea that I recently kind of went through. And in my last job, working at a movie theater, I had to quit. They basically forced me to quit. They wouldn't accept my hours. You know, I said I work Monday nights, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, but they wanted weekends from me, and I couldn't give that, so I had to give up the job. And the GM came around the last day I was there, whatever, and it was like me and the managers were hanging out, and he's like, "Oh yeah, like I found Lauren's replacement." And I really thought about that, and I didn't think it was gonna bother me, but it definitely bothers me, because here's the thing about replacements. Like, people all the time say, oh yeah, like, you know, everybody's replaceable, especially in a job, everybody's replaceable. While that may be true, yes, you might get another body to do the work that you're doing, but no one can replace the way that you make them feel. No one can replace the relationships that you've made with all the other coworkers, with the relationships you've made with management. Nobody can replace how you make them feel. So, always remember that when you're going out with a job, when you're trying to get a new job, always remember that yes, you are replaceable, but your personality, how you treat people, how you do your job, that is not replaceable. They can't find that in another person. Work ethic, they can't find that in another person. So just keep that in mind. You have value, and don't ever let people think that you're replaceable, because you have all these qualities and concepts that make you irreplaceable. They just need another body to do the work. Or whatever. The sun has set, by the way. I'm in a park. In the middle of nowhere. Caught a fish. He caught a fish. I think it looked like an eel. I don't even know. I'm just having fun watching these people fish in the sunset. But sunset is gone. This guy is still fishing. Okay. Come on, let's go for a walk. The sun's nice. Okay. I just want to let you know that it's 40 degrees. I also just saw someone with a puffer jacket on. Like, listen, what? Puffer jackets in Florida. Wild. Getting them Timbs. Timbs on today. Cold. I need my keys. That I do need.
Isn't that important?
So, I just got back from a 3.6 mile run. I have a meeting for my job, so I'm getting ready for that now. Yeah, it's like 65 here in Florida, which is crazy for Florida. But yeah, it was like 40 degrees this morning. It's quite nice. Went for a walk. It was great. Honestly, having a blast. But yeah, right now, getting ready for my meeting. I'll be taking some notes. And I think I'm gonna chill until then. My meeting starts at 3, it's 2:15. I might eat some food because I just exerted so much energy. But yeah, so I'm gonna get on here, see where the day takes us.
I just made some bussin' ass burgers. Now I'm watching a free show.